Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something incredibly important for all the new moms out there, boosting your baby's health through your breastfeeding diet. Did you know that what you eat while breastfeeding can significantly impact your baby's health? That's right, your diet isn't just about keeping you healthy, it's about giving your little one the best start in life. First up, let's talk about cruciferous vegetables. These aren't just any veggies, they are powerhouses of nutrition. I'm talking about broccoli, cabbage, kale, and their relatives. Recent research from Texas A&M Health suggests that these veggies can pass along fantastic health benefits to nursing infants. They contain a phytochemical known as SFNNAC, which, believe it or not, can transfer through breast milk. Now, why is this important? Well, SFNNAC might help prevent or alleviate diseases in breastfeeding children. And since many lactating mothers worldwide consume these plants, the potential benefits are huge. Moving on, let's not forget about the flu. Yes, the flu. Breast milk helps protect infants from many respiratory diseases, including influenza. If you're a mom with the flu, continue breastfeeding, but remember to take precautions to avoid spreading the virus. And lastly, a balanced diet is crucial. Nutritionist Lola Ross emphasizes the importance of vibrant plant foods, whole grains, healthy fats, and a mix of animal and plant proteins. This isn't just about quantity, it's about quality. The fats in your diet, especially polyunsaturated ones found in nuts, avocados, and oily fish, are not only a source of energy, but also aid in your baby's brain development. So, to all the amazing moms out there, remember, your diet is powerful. It's not just fueling you, it's building your baby's future. Confer with a healthcare provider and a nutritionist to tailor the best eating plan for you and your baby. Thanks for tuning in. Here's to happy, healthy breastfeeding journeys for all the incredible mothers watching. See you next time.